Olympia Ceramica presents the new collection of Tornado sanitary ware. The energy and vigor of its performance are combined with silence and absence of noise, important requirements for a pleasant and comfortable experiences. It keeps underlying Olympia Ceramica's attention towards the ecological aspect and the water saving. Tornado sanitary ware are characterized by graceful and rounded lines, reproduced on the product by the shape of a vortex. The conformation, beautiful to look at, becomes functional to an overwhelming energy in the flushing system, which with a minimum quantity of water consumed equals the power of traditional flushes, while ensuring minimal noise and absolute discretion. In addition, to ensure the maximum hygiene, the Sayat cover is characterized by the take-off system, which allows to quickly remove the Sayat cover and to easily clean the entire surface. Olympia. We believe in ideas becoming actions.